Hi Simone, I'm a first year physio student from CSU. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, that's good, thank you. So today I understand you've come in with pain in your right wrist.
Yes, that's right.
That's right, and that was just from playing squash a week ago now?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so just have a look at that injury today. We're just going to do a measurement of your wrist, of your right wrist, and it's just called radial deviation.
Okay.
So what that is we're just going to have you seated at a 90-degree angle, and we're just going to move the hand in towards the thumb.
Okay.
And that's just going to show us, possibly show us just a little bit of what's going on in the wrist today.
No worries.
So when we are doing this movement today, Simone, if you're feeling any pain, so what is your pain that you're feeling right now at resting?
Resting's probably 2 to 3 out of 10.
About a 2 to 3?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about on that movement?
Well, at work it starts to hurt
Yep.
because I work in a law firm and do lots of writing and typing and filing. And it gets to probably about a 5 to 6 there.
Okay, about a 5 or 6, so it's quite bad then.
Yeah.
Okay, so well, if it does get even any more than that too, please just tell me and we will stop because we don't want to cause any more damage to that wrist.
Thank you.
Okay, and also Simone, just at first, we're just going to do your left hand side first, your left hand wrist, because that will just give us a comparative value to show the difference in between the right and left side. So when we are doing that measurement, Simone, we're just going to be using this fancy tool called a goniometer. So it's just a fancy way of measuring, and it'll just show us the angles of your wrist. Okay, so we're going to be using that one. And do you have any other questions today, Simone?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, and you've understood everything I've said? Okay, do I have your consent?
You do.
Okay, wonderful. So I'm just going to wash my hands and do the bed breaks first. Alrighty, beautiful. Check the bed breaks. Yep, bed looking stable. Okay, Simone. So if I could just get you to come over and sit on this side, we're just going to do your left hand side first.
Okay, just like this.
Just like that, yeah, just like that. And we're just going to be moving in like this. Like that. So I'm just going to mark some points out on your arm, Simone, because that's just going to give me a more accurate measurement, and we'll just give a better reading of what's going on in your wrist there. So I'm just going to mark up here, just down here, and just down here.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Alright, just coming in here. Alrighty. So I'm just going to move that one on there like that. Again, please, if there is any pain, just please tell me. You know it is your good side, just in case anyway.
No worries.
Okay, so I'm just going to support your ulnar and radius here. And we're just going to,
inwards?
So yeah, we're going just inwards like this. Okay, perfect. So that's about 20 degrees, which is a perfectly normal range of motion. So if I can just get you to go one more time. Perfect. And just one more time for me. That's great. Okay, so in your good side, on your left-hand side, you have full range of motion in that wrist. So now we're going to do your right wrist, which will just give us that comparative value. So if we just switch over sides here. Okay, so again, we're just going to mark out the same points on this arm, Simone, just so we get that perfect, accurate measurement. That one there, and that one there. Just before, Simone, I didn't ask you, would you feel more comfortable with draping, or
I'm right.
You're okay? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Alrighty, so we're just going to get this one over here. So with this side being your sore side, Simone, please, even in the smallest amount of pain, please let me know, because again, we don't want to cause any more pain in that wrist than we need to. Okay, so in this one, we're just going to move towards the thumb again. And we're just going to see what kind of a value you get. So I'm just going to get stabilize your radial, radius and ulnar. So if we just move in. Okay, so that's getting quite sore there now. So around the 10-degree mark. If we could just get you to do that one more time. Okay, great. And just once more, is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Just once more. Okay. So that was about 10 degrees. So there is about a 10-degree difference there, Simone. Were you feeling much pain when it was getting there, or was it just more of it felt like you couldn't go any further?
It just felt a bit more like I couldn't go any further, but it was just a bit stiff, I think.
A bit stiff? And what pain were you feeling at that time?
Probably just a 4 to 5.
About a 4 to 5, so still getting quite up there. So
but that was at the very end.
At the very end, so just more when you're starting to feel that stiffness and that end point. Okay then, well that gives us a good value. So on your good side, you've got a 20-degree, which is a completely normal range. And then on the other side, you've just got a 10-degree range, so that is a little bit of a difference. And that could just be contributing to the pain that you are feeling in that wrist.
Cool.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, thank you for today, Simone.
Thank you.
Thank you.